Hello guys, you're welcome to the channel. This is ASHCo TV, the official YouTube channel for ASHCo Commodities, guys. And today I'm so happy. Anytime I visit this tomato farm, it's like I've gone to the beach to have a relaxation. You have no idea, right? It's not like this is a very big space. This is like acres of land that I'm going to get thousands of, tens of thousands of cities or something. But anytime I visit this place, right, it gives me the perspective of how, as youth of Africa and youth of Ghana, to be precise, we can make youth a very useful change in society, right? This is just a piece of land that I decided to use for tomato, farming, right? And looking at just within just a month, right? A month and few days. Yes, a month and some days, like a month and a week. Ever since I transplanted this, I'm getting fruits. The plants have started giving fruits, right? And it gives me so much joy, right? Anytime I visit this place and see the improvement, it gives me joy. I'll make another video to actually talk about the offer product, the offer fertilizer, because one thing about this farm is that everything I used here is organic, from fertilizer to anything you can think of is organic, right? And the offer product is something that I use. That's just by the way. I'll make a full video for it, but this is the joy that I had today when I visited, right? Look at the fruits. Just look at them. Just look at this one. Okay, this is not even up to like an acre. This is like quarter. This is less than quarter of an acre, right? But whenever I visit it, I get excited. All right, so this is the update for you guys, and this is an information to you out there who have a space of land lying idle. Please don't let the land lie idle. African lands are very fertile. Please use it. Okay, plant something on it. It doesn't have to be your main activity. It doesn't have to be your major line of work. At your free time, use it to cultivate something. Don't let the land lie down just like that. And if you don't have, you can get by talking to people who have. Even if they give it to you at a fee, right? Just consider that you're going to make some money out of it, because these tomatoes or any crop that you want to grow, you're going to sell it. Even if you decide not to sell it, at least you are able to plant something that is very organic. And if you even want to consume it in your house, the benefits, right, of eating organic foods. Okay, and that one alone is priceless. So today, this is the update that I'm bringing to you, that after a month and a week, because it was first, I remember, if you check previous videos, you realize that on first, that was when I posted a video of transplanting and watering, 1st of March. So that's like a month and a week exactly. All right, so this is it. I'm giving this video actually as a motivation, and I know by the time we harvest, the motivation will be more. Please, if you have a land, if you have access to a land, cultivate something. You can use it by yourself, by your household, and you can make money out of it. This is ASHCo Commodities YouTube channel, ASHCo TV. If you're new here, please do want to subscribe. You have a lot of information, a lot of good information for you that has to do with agribusiness and agriculture, for you to get the appetite to do agriculture, right? Because believe you me, that is the future. So all your information that you need, as far as you are a Ghanaian, you are an African, whatever you are in the world, you can be our information and our learning, our activities can be beneficial to you. Please subscribe and share the video and like it. That's how you're going to support us. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel and help us grow as one big family. My name is Yao Asimpi, and it is bye for now until the next video.